Welcome to our tutorial on manipulating components in eDrawings. We can use the icons in the toolbar to manipulate our model: left, right, isometric. We can also pan, rotate, or zoom. If your mouse has a wheel, you can use it to zoom in and out. And by pressing mouse button number 2 and moving your mouse, you'll be able to rotate the model. Here is the Move icon, and this is also accessible under the Tools menu, Move Component. When the Move tool is active, we can grab components and move them around. In order to move the components back, you can double-click on the components, or you can click the Home icon, and the components will move to their original position at the time that your eDrawing document was opened. Also, if the Explode view was created in SolidWorks, we can use this command in the eDrawings document. The same command is also accessible under the Tools drop-down menu, right-clicking on a component brings up a drop-down menu that allows you to hide components, make them transparent, hide others, or show all. Right-click again to undo whatever you did in the previous move. The same command is available if you right-click a component in the manager. You can hide components, make them transparent, etc. If you've hidden something, you just right-click on it again to show it. You can also show all components. These two buttons allow us to use shaded and perspective views. And this concludes our tutorial on manipulating components.